What's up, y'all? I have a new one for you, Fibonacci Breath, based on the Fibonacci sequence, which is a series of numbers that build upon each other. 1 plus 1 equals 2, 1 plus 2 equals 3, 2 plus 3 equals 5, and so on and so forth. The fascinating thing about this sequence of numbers is it occurs in nature in so many different ways. Shells, hurricanes, flowers. You can see this growing spiral. And with the Fibonacci breath, you're welcoming nature deeper into the lungs. And how it is practiced is as follows: 1 second in, 1 second out, 2 second in, 3 second out, 5 second in, 8 second out longer, 13 second inhale through the lips, 21 second exhale. Keep it going long, slow. Pausing there, taking a couple breaths, and feeling the magic of Mother Nature. Calm the nervous system. It's a very calming, relaxing breath technique. I love it. It's my new favorite. Even though I just thought about it this morning, I was like, oh, that might be a good little breath technique, breath sequence. So give it a try. 1 second in, 1 second out. 2 seconds in, 3 seconds out. 5 seconds in, 8 seconds out. 13 seconds in, 21 seconds out. Try it out. Let me know how it goes. Have a beautiful day.